Welcome back, and in this section I'm going to be talking about what most others are doing. Because we often as humans, we follow what everyone else is doing. We always look to some authority and then just take orders. Yes, okay, do that, do that. But then we have to work out, is this working, what everyone is doing? And this is key. So what most people are doing and what the masses are doing is they're looking outside of their body. So for example, dust mites. If you go onto any forum, if you go onto any video on YouTube, etc., you will find that people, what they offer and suggest is all the time on the outside. Oh yes, get a better air filter. Filter the dust. Make sure you clean your room every single day. Don't forget to clean your room. Make sure you're cleaning your bed sheets, your pillow sheets. There could be dust on there. It's all running from dust. It's running. How about just changing what's within and just not reacting to what's outside the body? That is what we call coming into harmony with our environment. Yes, it's a good idea to keep your environment clean just because your body would enjoy that. You know, we like having clean environments. But we shouldn't be cleaning it just because then we're going to react. We should actually keep it clean, yes, but also totally change the immune response so there's no longer responding to dust, and then it's a win-win. It means you're free to be in whatever environment you want, but naturally you'll probably choose a clean environment just because you prefer a clean environment. But it's not because you're freaking out, because you're reacting and, oh, you've got to have your medication and you have to keep it clean or else you're going to get angry. This is not a free way of living. So most people are looking outside. In this course, we're looking inside and we're changing something fundamentally from within.